wanted to pop on here and do a last minute holiday ready look. And I'm going to be using my Let It Snow Globes makeup palettes. And this one is called Holiday Angel. I really wish they actually labeled each of these palettes individually, but it's only on the box. So I thought that was a shortcut. But anyways, let's dive in. Switching over to voiceover, prepping and priming my face first with the Lancome Teint Idole Concealer and Foundation. Then moving on to priming my eyes with About Face, which is Halsey's brand of eyeshadow primer. Now moving on to the palette, but first an obligatory sniff test. Gotta admit, the scent is really faint. Starting off by applying a foundational base shade of Snow Angel. Okay, so I started off by first going in with Winter Blues and concentrating on the outer edges. I was envisioning the smoky blue eye, but it really was so sheer, it was not buildable. The color payoff was really bad. So then I went into Unwrapped, this brown shade, and tried to use that, and at least that was more pigmented, and I used that to smoke out the outer edges. Okay, now time to take the shimmers for a test run. So going in with Twinkle with my finger, and it was pretty sheer. Could barely see the color, but it looked a lot better after I applied multiple coats. So here, that's what you see I'm doing. And then I also went in with Winter Blues as well. I was just trying to get as much color as I could from these shimmers. But yeah, a little bit disappointed with the color payoff in general. Going back with Unwrapped and applying that to the lower lash line just to create some congruency. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter and using it as shadow. So I'm using it to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone. Okay, time to go in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen. Here I am drawing an extended wing. I mentioned it before, but I think it is a more flattering shape with my monolided eyes as opposed to wings at an upward angle. Okay, totally optional, but I'm taking my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and stash and tracing over the lines just to soften up the look. Okay, curling my lashes with my Shiseido eyelash curler. Then applying some of my Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof mascara to give my lashes a little lift. Okay, going in with the Peacock palette and going in with the built-in Peach on Earth blush. And it's okay, it's giving me this nice little rosy flush going on, adding some color to my cheeks. Okay, now going in with the Holiday Angel palette and trying the built-in highlighter called Candlelight, and it's okay, it's giving me a decent glow, but I feel like I've seen better results with Fenty or Ofra. Okay, now time to apply my favorite lip duo, so I'm going in with the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993 for a dark chocolate finish, then applying my Lancome Le Absolu lip gloss over it for a nice shiny finish. Okay, so this is the finished look, and yes, I changed into another party ready outfit. I got the earrings and the top from Loft. Okay, so just some final thoughts about this palette. It's not the best, I have to say. I'm a little bit disappointed, especially with Twinkle and Winter Blues. Just so much potential to create this really pretty icy snow bunny type eye look, and they were so sheer and it was so hard to build. So definitely really disappointed with those. Even the highlighter wasn't very pigmented, like you can barely see it. So all in all, I don't really like this one. I'm hoping I like the other ones better. I'm going to try them out for another video. And I'm kind of glad I didn't give this to anybody just because I'm a little bit disappointed with the performance. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and stay tuned for more makeup looks from me.